Now, I gave my wife my word that I would go and check this out when she was gone this weekend. Okay, so she's gone, and I thought, okay, I've got to do this. So I've got my sweatshirt on. I've got my back support on. I got my knee brace on. I got my goggles on. I've got even some toilet paper in my ears because it's cold outside. It's winter, okay? So we're gonna go outside, and we're gonna check this out. See, I've got my knee pad here, my gloves here. I've got a flashlight, a screwdriver. Yeah, I have not been out here yet to check this. I wanted you to see what I see. Okay, so first off, I see, sure enough, there's an inspection cover here. Okay, so like I say, if you've got a jacuzzi tub and it's on an exterior wall, chances are you're going to have something like this. Okay, somewhere. And what is that? I don't know what that is, but okay, so I've got to get my screwdriver. See, there's two little slots on the screws. You just turn it sideways and this should pop open. I have never been in there. Can you believe that? Today's the day, and you're coming with me. Okay, let's do this. Like I say, you should be able to turn it just halfway, I think it is. Like that. Let's see. Maybe I have to go a little further. Okay, I guess I have to turn that a little bit more. Come on. Like I say, I have not been in here. Okay, there. All right, I guess you got to twist it a little bit more. And let me get my, I don't know if I need my flashlight or not. Let's just get you in there. I'm going to take you off the tripod, okay? And I thought I was going to have to kind of shimmy in there, but I don't know if I'm going to have to or not. I'm going to have to look at this. See there? There's the plug there, and see there's insulation here, down there, over here. And you can see there's little mouse droppings in here, and he claims, or she claims, that the wire had been chewed. Now I'm not seeing, are you seeing any wires that have been chewed up in here? I'm not seeing anything. Okay, I'm really not seeing anything here. I'm gonna have to scope this out a little bit more carefully. Maybe there's something back in there. I may have to shimmy in there and then report back to you what I find out. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go in there without you and see if I can't find out what's going on.